Sorry guys, I had to cut the stream because of power cut. I have resumed trading and I have resumed my analysis and stream. So as expected, GU has reached the 2 standard deviation mark here. It has taken out, or it's about to take out this sell side liquidity here. EU is stuck inside this M15 FEG. Yes, I was saying about this long here. I did tell that was quite risky, and it failed. It did not work out. what is the plan of action now? So EU has to reach to this liquidity. That is the only go where we can expect some kind of reversal or SMT to happen. Or GU can also go down and take out this liquidity as well. But nothing is confirmed as of now. We need to wait and see what is going to happen. As of daily power of 3, we don't have a definitive low or high, and we need to keep the weekly high and low in mind as well. Okay, wait a minute. Right. So yeah, this is Sunday's 1700 open, and from this is the weekly opening price. We are below the weekly opening price. We are likely to make the low of the week either today or tomorrow's London Open Kill Zone. Between these period, we will be making the low of the week, and after that, we can expect higher prices. So ideally, we'll see some kind of SMT with GU as well. That will give us a signal to look for longs. This was one of the good trade in today's London Open Kill Zone, but this was also tricky. I mean, this was quite tricky as well because, see, Asian high and both lows were already raided. So now anything can happen. Like price can move up higher and seek higher liquidity as well, because session liquidities, both session liquidities are raided. It will be like a seek and destroy profile as well. So it's not quite easy to trade after a raid of a session liquidity. So that's why I did not recommend and I did not trade this down move here. Also at that time, EU was also at a point of reversal. See here, when this candle formed, EU was a 2 standard deviation, and after that, in just one candle, price moved up, tapped into this breaker, and then it started moving down again. So this to me was less than high probability, so that's why I did not take this trade. Why not look for bearish entry? I don't get your question, bro. Where do you want me to? Okay, you asked me for this question. This was your question about. Great. when will your bias shift from bullish to bearish? What is the condition? So it depends on the 4-hour and daily time frame. Okay. So in the daily time frame, we are seeking. Wait a minute. Let me make this quite clean. Yeah. Okay. So when the daily time frame, what is going on in the daily time frame? I need to observe that. Okay. Based on that and the H4 time frame, I shift my biases. Like for this example, for right now. So what is happening in the daily time frame? It has taken external liquidity here and it is going inside for internal liquidity. It has taken out this liquidity here. It has tapped into this FEG, this imbalance here. And what is happening here? It's in this particular time frame, it is kind of a small retracement is happening here, and after this it can either continue to the downside to grab more internal liquidity, or it can continue to the upside. In the 4-hour time frame, if we see, so till this point it was taking out external liquidity. Okay, then what happened here is it is going inside for internal liquidity. This FEG here was the internal liquidity. It was taken out, and what happened? It took out this swing high here. So that is external liquidity. After that, it is coming inside for internal. It is going to external, then internal again. Now, what will happen? Because it has taken out this short-term swing low. So it can either go down or go up. Right now, the bias is not clearly defined. So we have to wait and see. For me to switch my bias from bullish to bearish, I need to see a definitive break of this level. Okay, if I see price breaking down this level with a displacement, then what I will expect is price to be bearish. I will expect price to be bearish, and I will expect for bearishness from any of the imbalances present here. From this point till this, I'll target lower prices. So this is how I change my bias. It depends on the higher time frame, the liquidity that is being sought by the higher time frame. One other thing, so the price has started to consolidate here. What actually happens after consolidation is we can expect a move like this, which will give us the order block formation, and we can expect a reversal here. After this, we can expect a change in state of delivery. That's what usually, I mean, that's a thing that happens after a consolidation in a place like this. This consolidation, expansion to the downside, then reversal, then price expanding to the upside. Do you watch weekly or monthly? Both are going from internal to external. I watch only daily and 4 hour for intraday trading. I do my weekly and monthly analysis once a week. So here, what we can see here in the monthly time frame is, wait a minute. See, yeah, this was external to internal. This is all inside a consolidation monthly time frame. Okay, this was the external liquidity, the one, I mean, the liquidity below the sell side swing point here. This is external liquidity, and it is now going into for internal liquidity. So right now this is in a consolidation in the monthly time frame. If you go to the weekly time frame, what we can see here is, yeah, so here this was external to internal. Now it is going to, this becomes the external liquidity, because this swing high is being taken out. So this becomes internal liquidity here. All right. So yeah, this will be, now this is going to be internal liquidity. Then price will target higher prices. That will be external liquidity. That is what I'm expecting in daily time frame as well. I don't think we'll be seeing any kind of movement in the remaining 50 minutes because it has started consolidating, and we need EU to take out this low here. So I think that will happen in the New York Hill zone. Let's do one thing. We'll connect in the New York Hill zone at 7 a.m. Okay. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask now, or else we'll close the session for now and we'll reconnect back at 7 a.m. Okay, guys. I'll close the stream. We'll reconnect at 7 a.m.